Good morning, my dear students. As we have already learned about our first chapter, how Daddy was always late, in our first video, in this video we will do the revision of this chapter and we will also learn the main keywords of this chapter. The name of the chapter is How Daddy Was Always Late. Firstly, we will discuss about the author of this chapter. So the name of the author is Alexander Ruskin. He was a Russian poet. He was born in Belarus and studied at the Literary Institute in Moscow. When Daddy Was Little Boy was his famous children's book that describes incident from a father's childhood as told to his daughter. In this chapter, he is saying that when Daddy was little, he always went to school late and other children went to school before the bell rang. Now question is, how little Daddy was different from all other children? If we want to describe the answer, little Daddy was different from all other children because they all came to school before the bell rang and the little Daddy was always late. So Daddy's parents were unable to do anything about this bad habit of him to being late to school. Every evening the same story was there. Grandma was always asking, "Have you done your homework?" And the answer was, "Wait a second." Grandma always said to him to stop reading other books and start your homework, but little Daddy was always making an excuse because he did not want to put down an interesting book to start doing the dull lesson. So now which question we can put? Question is, what did Daddy do instead of doing homework? So, as we have learned, Daddy was not good at studies. He always escaped from his homework. He always started reading something interesting. He could not just put down an interesting book to start doing his homework. Finally, Grandma and Grandpa lost their patience and they snatched little Daddy's book from him. Then Daddy felt upset and displeased and he began to beep and demanded his book back. So, according to this passage, which question we can put here? So, question is, why did the grandparents of Daddy get angry with little Daddy? So, answer is, grandparents of Daddy got angry with little Daddy because every day Daddy ran away from his homework and started reading any other interesting book. His parents and grandparents scolded him. They always said to him, put down the book and to start his homework, but Daddy always made excuse. His careless behavior towards his studies made his parents angry and they snatched his book. He always said that he would not start his homework until they gave his book back to him. He did his homework in a daze. In a daze means in a confused state. So now we have discussed about the story of evening time. But in the morning time it was a different story. How it is different? Let's read. Grandma always said, "Get up, you are late for school." But he always mumbled. Mumble means spoke in a quiet and unclear voice. He always said, "Wait a second." We also know that it is difficult to get up when we sleep late at night. So same happened with the little Daddy. So in the morning while going to school, Daddy took a lot of time to get up. He washed his face sleepily. He took too much time to pack his school bag. That's why he always went to school late. So now which question we can put here? How did Daddy dress up for school in the morning? What will the answer of this question? In the morning, Daddy took a lot of time. He took too much time to pack his bag. As he did all these activities very slowly, he often got late and ran to school. That's why always missed the teacher's explanation of chapters and new subjects. So that's why it was difficult for him to understand what is the rest of class was doing. So from all his activities, what we have learned about the little Daddy? We have learned that Daddy was always late all his life. He was late for school, for college, and also late for work. And what was the result of being late in every task? He lost many things because of his awful habit. Awful habit means bad habits. So students, I hope now this story is clear to you. Now we'll try to learn pronunciation of some difficult words like immediately, interesting, threaten, patience, snatch, offended, yawn, and awful. Thank you.